Meaning of claim. The word claim can be used as both a verb and a noun. Verb, to say something is true, often without proof, to demand something as your right. Noun, a statement that something is true, a demand for something you believe you deserve. 10 example sentences with claim. 1. She claims she saw a UFO last night. 2. He claimed ownership of the land. 3. You can claim a refund if the product is faulty. 4. They claim to have the best coffee in town. 5. The company claimed damages from the supplier. 6. His claim was rejected due to lack of evidence. 7. The witness made a surprising claim in court. 8. She filed a claim for insurance money. 9. Their claim about winning the award was true. 10. Please provide documents to support your claim.